Hello friends, I hope you are looking for the best miter saw. So you have clicked this video. In this video we will discuss miter saw which are best sold and achieve top-rated reviews from customers. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, please check the description box in the below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Metabo HTCompound miter saw. Metabo is a sub-brand of Hitachi power tools that is one of the most reputable power tool brands out there. And its chop saw is also quite reliable that we have presented in this article. One of the best things about this chop saw is that it offers a great build quality along with a 5-year warranty. As a result, it is the most reliable option present in this article. As per its name, it comes with a slightly shorter 10-inch blade size. And this blade is powered by a 15-amp motor that offers a decent cutting performance. You get a miter cut angle range of 0 to 52 degrees in this chop saw for high flexibility. And the included blade of this chop saw leaves a precise and clean cut since it is a 24-teeth TCT saw blade. Since this is a tungsten carbide tipped blade, you can expect it to last for a long time. This chop saw also offers a bevel range of 0 to 45 degrees that is quite useful. Key features: 10-inch blade size, 15-amp motor, up to 5,000 RPM rotation speed, 5-year warranty, miter cut range of 0 to 52 degrees. Number 2. DEWALT 12-inch miter saw. For around-the-home trimming and cross-cutting, the DEWALT 12-inch single compound miter saw has all the power and precision necessary without a large price tag. It cuts boards up to 8 inches wide and cuts bevels in one direction. It comes with a slide-out fence that extends to help support the board being cut. For safety, the DEWALT saw also features a mechanism that automatically locks the spring arm in the down position unless it's manually unlocked with a button on the back. Testing revealed few bells or whistles, as DEWALT chose to focus on accuracy and power, of which it has plenty, over features. We like how light this saw is, especially compared to the much heavier sliders. The hold-down arm used to lock wood in place is awkward, and the single bevel does limit this saw's capability, but the locking detents for the blade angle are some of the best in the test. The quality of the saw definitely exceeds the price. Pros: sliding fence, dust collection port, clamps for holding material. Cons: no laser guide or light. Number 3. Bosch GCM12SD miter saw. The Bosch Power Tools GCM12SD 12-inch miter saw comes with a sliding arm that allows the user to cut boards up to 14 inches wide. The saw comes with pull-out material supports on both sides to stabilize boards up to 40 inches long, and it cuts compound bevels in both directions. The clear saw guard on the Bosch miter saw is designed not to obstruct the user's view of the cut throughout the entire process. The trigger handle features an ergonomic grip that can be used by either right-handed or left-handed users just as comfortably, and it features a padded non-slip grip. Fences are adjustable, and the miter scale numbers are etched into stainless steel for durability. During testing, we found that the Bosch saw truly does belong at the top of this list. First, it has a zero-clearance slide arm that can sit up against a wall if necessary. The arm is also super smooth for making accurate cuts. Also, there wasn't any assembly to deal with, and there are lots of additional references for roof rafters and valley cuts built in. The dust collection was outstanding, and the motor is super powerful. The only qualms anyone might find with this saw is that it's a little heavy for carrying around the shop, and there aren't any lasers or lights. Pros: smooth zero-clearance arm, dust collection system, see-through safety guard. Cons: no light or laser. Number 4. Craftsman V20 sliding miter saw. The most significant benefit of the Craftsman V20 is its small footprint and lightweight design. Also, the ability to use it even when electricity isn't available is a plus. Lithium-ion batteries are getting more powerful, and this miter saw can make up to 585 cuts through a 3¼ inch medium-density fiberboard on a single charge. It accepts a Craftsman 20-volt rechargeable battery, which is included along with a battery charger. This miter saw features a powerful motor that spins the blade at a rate of 3,800 rotations per minute, making it well suited to cutting wall studs, baseboards, and molding with ease. It also slides, making it possible to cut boards up to 8 inches wide. We weren't exactly sure what we'd find with the Craftsman V20 saw, mainly due to its weight and the large number of plastic pieces. But it was easy to put together, it cut well, and it was shockingly quiet. We could see using this saw for projects like flooring or trim work, though it did handle the construction lumber. Our only real qualms were the plastic and the single bevel action, rather than dual. Pros: lightweight and compact. Quiet. Relatively powerful. Cons: it contains a lot of plastic pieces. Number 5. Evolution S355 CPSL Miter Saw. The Evolution S355 is great for people who prefer modern and cutting-edge utilities over the old, time-proven ones. Yes, it's not a cheap chop saw, but it possesses all the basic characteristics of a typical chop saw and adds more to it. As for application, the saw is equipped with a nice slide and a lock to firmly fix the processed material. On the top, the blade is embedded into a wheel-shaped lever, which is tenaciously designed for accuracy and precision. By applying slight force to the lever, the blade makes surgeon-like, clean cuts and is extremely easy to manipulate. Unlike many other chop saws, the blade doesn't dig in the material but makes cuts guided by the pressure of your hand, hence no ripping. To add efficiency to the unit, the manufacturer has embedded the base of the saw with a longer ledge to accommodate larger materials. Moreover, the product isn't limited only by processing wood or metal. Now, it can cut plastic materials evenly without melting them or setting them on fire, unlike other similar products. Besides, it deals nicely with tubing and soft metals like aluminum or copper. Pros: effective and fast. Controllable. Safe and cool keeping. Cons: a bit heavy. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video. Don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get new update videos. Also check the description box to check the product's link.